Hello friends, every day I talk about safety and when I talk about the safety, the electrocutions, fire accidents and accident failures. And the most common news you will find in the social media about electrocution when you touch any electric pole. It happens especially during the monsoon seasons when you start moving in the waterlogging area and you touch any metallic part, specifically an electric pole, you get electrocuted. And we have noticed so many news on the social media, and we are losing many precious life because of touching of electric pole. In the last video, I have given you solution for that. Instead of that metallic pole, utility must switch over to FRP, fiber reinforced polymer kind of pole. And I am fortunate enough today I met very good friend of mine, Ankur Agarwal ji, who has come up with that product of that FRP pole. This is the actual FRP pole. That is basically fiber reinforced polymer that can sort out the problems we usually come across when we touch any metallic pole during the waterlogging area of monsoon seasons. Welcome, sir. Can you elaborate about the product you have?
Thank you very much, sir, for giving us the opportunity to explain our FRP products. We are company name is Sumit Composites. We are based in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And we are manufacturing GRP or FRP poles up to 12 meter height.
Okay.
This GRP is also glass fiber reinforced polymer and FRP is fiberglass reinforced polymer. It's the difference only in the name of nomenclature only.
Okay.
So somewhere it is used as GRP, somewhere it is used as FRP.
And how do you decide the thickness of this pole, and how do you decide the insulation resistance offered by a particular thickness of FRP?
As this is for the street lighting applications.
Right.
And based on the height of the poles, we decide the thickness of the pole.
Okay.
It's like minimum it is 5 mm and it goes up to 8 mm or even 9 mm.
And the maximum height you offer is
12 meter.
12 meter. And what about the wind velocity it can withstand? That's a very important thing.
Yeah, it's very important, sir. It is it can withstand the capacity of withstand the capacity of 250 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
Yeah. And like if you recall the Hudud cyclone, there also our poles were installed at YZ. So at that time of this Hudud cyclone, pole stood bricks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then, dear friends, to avoid electrocutions of small children playing in the park, in the societies, touching the poles, utility poles on the streets, this solution can definitely eliminate, minimize, and we can get rid of that phenomena happening during monsoon seasons in India. Let's switch over to FRP. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you, sir.